This video will cover beginner questions regarding the topic of linear equations and graphs, slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b is the equation of a line with slope m and y-intercept b. Then what is the x-intercept? In the first graph, this point is x-intercept and this point is y-intercept. In the second graph, this point is x-intercept and this point is y-intercept. In the third graph, since the line is on the x-axis and y-axis, there are infinite x-intercepts and infinite y-intercepts. This is the first question. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is slope, which is 2 over 3, and b is y-intercept, which is minus 2. Therefore, y equals 2 over 3x minus 2. This is the answer. This is the next question. We have 2 points. X-intercept 2 means 2, 0, and y-intercept minus 5 means 0, minus 5. The slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this point is x1, y1. This one is x2, y2. So slope is minus 5 minus 0 over 0 minus 2. So minus 5 over minus 2, which is 5 over 2. But in fact, it's easy to use graph when you know both x and y-intercept. So x-intercept is 2, then y-intercept is minus 5. So slope equals rise over run or y step over x step. So 5 up, then 2 to the right. So 5 over 2 is the same. And the equation is y equals mx plus b form. So y equals m is 5 over 2. X plus b means y-intercept. We already know here. So minus 5. So we have answer. This is the next question. We need a y equals mx plus b form. So number A, divide by 2 on each side. Divide by 2, divide by 2 like this. So the left side is y equals, then split. So minus 8x divided by 2 means minus 4x plus 3 over 2. So slope equals minus 4, then y-intercept is 3 over 2. Then number B, keep the 4y in the left side, then 3x and minus 2 move to the right. So minus 3x plus 2, and then divide by 4 on each side. So y equals, the first one is minus 3x over 4 plus, and the second one is 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. So slope is minus 3 over 4, then y-intercept is 1 over 2. This is the next question. First, change the form to slope-intercept form. So 2y equals minus 8x plus 6 and divide by 2 each side. So y equals, this one is minus 4x plus 3. If you look at the slope, D is not the answer because its slope is positive. And C is not the answer because its slope is not steep. The slope is minus 4. The slope is minus 4. That means minus 4 over 1. So 1 to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. See? That's steep, so C is not the answer. We don't always have a graph paper when you draw graphs, so it's helpful to know roughly what it looks like. And A is not the answer because the y-intercept is not 3. Therefore, the answer is B. If you had solved the problem looking at the y-intercept first, you would have erased A first. This is the next question. Number A, the y-intercept is minus 2, and then slope equals 1 over 2, which means 2 to the right and 1 up, like this. So plot the point here, 0, minus 2, and 2 to the right, 1 up, 2 to the right, 1 up, and opposite way, 2 to the left and 1 down, like this is same. So 2 to the left, 1 down, 2 to the left, and 1 down. And connect all points. So that graph is y equals 1 over 2x minus 2. But what if there is no graph paper? First, draw the x-axis and y-axis, like this, and plot the y-intercept, which is minus 2. Then think about the slope. The slope is 1 over 2. We already did this way. So 2 to the right and 1 up, this much. So think about that slope. Then where is the next point? 2 to the right and 1 up. So it's 2, minus 1. So we need only 2 points, at least 2 points. So this graph is y equals 1 over 2x minus 2. Or we can use x and y intercept. So y equals 1 over 2x minus 2. So what is x-intercept? When y equals 0, so 0 equals 1 over 2x minus 2. So minus 1 over 2x equals minus 2. Then x equals 4. This is x-intercept. And y-intercept, we already know which is minus 2. So graph the axis. And x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is minus 2. Then connect these 2 points like this. Then the graph is y equals 1 over 2x minus 2. So you can use anyways. Then this one is number B. The y-intercept is 1 and then slope is minus 3 over 4. We can rewrite as minus 3 over 4. So plot the point 0, 1 here and 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 down, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 down, the point here, or sometimes 3 over minus 4, then 4 to the left, and 3 up, like this. And then connect the point. This one is y equals minus 3 over 4x plus 1. Or if we plug in 4 for x, if x equals 4, then y equals minus 3 over 4 times 4 plus 1. The denominator is erased, so making it easier to calculate. So y equals minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. That means this line passes through the point 4, minus 2. So draw the axis and plot the y-intercept, which is 1, and 4, minus 2, like this. Then draw the graph. So y equals minus 3 over 4x plus 1 here. This is the next question. Let the equation be y equals mx plus b. The slope is 2 over 5. So the equation is 2 over 5x plus b. The line passes through the point 6, minus 2. This means 6, minus 2 lies on the line. So plug in here. The y equals minus 2 because this one is x, y. Then 2 over 5 times 6 plus b minus 2 equals 12 over 5 plus b. Then minus 2 minus 12 over 5 equals b. That one is 5 and 22. So b equals minus 22 over 5. Therefore y equals 2 over 5x minus 22 over 5. This is the last question. If the slope is minus 5 over 4, then y-intercept is 2. The equation is y equals minus 5 over 4x plus 2. Then these two terms on the right side move to the left. So 5 over 4x plus y, then minus 2 equals 0. But this one is the same as the first equation, x plus ay plus b equals 0. So times 4 over 5 on each side. Then expand the first one, make x. Then second term, plus 4 over 5y minus, then third one is 8 over 5 equals 0. Then compare each term. So a equals 4 over 5. Therefore a equals 4 over 5. Then b equals minus 8 over 5. This is the answer. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment below, and I will address them in a future video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.